Well, good afternoon, everybody. Hope your week was good. It's Friday afternoon. You guys won't be seeing this until Saturday morning, but wow, what a great green day here in the markets. I'm excited. So let's take a look at our positions, get right into this. Look at this, all green today. All right, gold balanced out at zero for today, but look at this. Profit and loss since open 75.6%, 69.2%. I mean, Hims is up to 27%. We're even green on the, um, oh man, good gracious, Intel account that we started with. We were red for the longest time. We're up 0.4% on that one now. Mara's coming back up here. We would actually get assigned now. We'd still be keeping some premium if we got assigned at the $21 because we've collected enough premium to offset that. So that's good. Pfizer up 68%. So it's a really good day. I think we're going to take some profits today just because, I mean, these are basically 70%, 70%, 75%. Can hang around for, oh, I don't know, what is this? 2.5 more weeks, 3 more weeks, and 2 more weeks, excuse me, and, you know, lose money on it or give up some of the premium. Probably going to sell these and then we will start fishing again on Monday and look for some more good deals. So let's start with the best one here. Let's just go there. Let's just close that position. All right, let's close that position. 23, 24, 23, 22 is the mid price. Well, let's try 23. Why not? We'll see what happens here. And send that order. Hey, look at that. That was filled just like that. Um, wow, I'm going to have to go back and look at the tape to see. Wait a minute. Give me 1 second. I'm going to check my notifications on my phone, and that will tell me what my order was filled at. So, all right. Excuse me. Bear with me. I just want to do this properly. Order was filled. It's 23 cents. Yes, I knew that. That's, wow. Somebody's not paying attention today. Sorry about that. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay. What was it we just did here? We did Celsius, and let's say we closed that today. Closing cost 0.23, 0.12, and there we go. We will have profited $65.75 on that, which is a profit of $9 a day. Fantastic. We will keep that one in mind for the future. And okay, back to positions. What else are we looking at here? All right, gold. See, I mean, we're 70% premium. It expires next week. I mean, to be honest with you, it's almost nothing but downhill from here. We can wait a full week to get that extra little bit, or we can close it and shoot for something else next week. So I think we're going to do that. So let's close this position too. 8 cents. That's the mid price. Review, cents, and order. Bam, filled. 8 cents. All right, so back over to the spreadsheet, go to gold and close that. That was closed as of today and 0.08 cents and 0.12 cents. Let's see, what did we get on that? All right, well, we made a whopping $16.75. That's a buck a day. Not bad little trade. I was really kind of hoping it went the other way, and we did get assigned, but not a big deal. If we ever really want it, we can just outright buy it. All right, back to positions. Let's see what else we got here. All right, Pfizer. I'll look at the chart on this one here real quick. Yeah, it's where I would expect it. It's above the midline, headed towards the top Bollinger. So basically, there's, I'll say, less of a chance of actually dropping down and getting assigned in there. So I think we're going to try and get another position on this one, maybe even today. We'll see what happens. Well, no, I usually don't buy positions until I'm below the midline. So we'll just maybe wait a week or so and see what we can get on that. But all right, back to Pfizer. Let's close that position. And mid price is 15 cents. Review, send order, and pending. All right, I'm gonna have to work a little harder on that one. But here we go with Intel. Let's take a look at the chart on this one because I'm getting a little excited here. We are right now at that midline in the Bollinger. So I'm going to take a look at the premiums. Oh, well, let's see, January 17th premium. What will we get for a 1 week premium here for, let's see, we own it for 2050. If we sold the call there, we can make 50 cents and that's $50 in the week on that. We could try and push a little higher out of the money and only take $30 there. That 1 week, that wouldn't be too terrible. What about 2 weeks? 2 weeks is not quite double, so not as appealing. So let's look at back to Intel trade. Why not? We haven't done a covered call yet. Let's just do this one here, and we'll just go basically at our strike price in the money, collect another 52 cents. And so we will be, oh, excuse me, I was wrong. Let's go over here. Oh, be safe. Let's clear that trade. We will be, I'm over here in the call side now. We're selling a call for 50 cents. 51 is the mid price, so we'll try for that. 51 cent. Oh, it went up a little bit. Okay, 50-cent credit for mid price on the 2050 sold call for Intel, and send that one off and filled. So we've got our first covered call, guys. This is exciting. So let's go back to the spreadsheet and see how that plays out there. Let's move over to Intel. There we go. This is the first one we did on the channel, so that is exciting. Okay. We now have the position. We entered this one we were assigned. We come over here now, and we also are going to say today we sold a call that expires next week on the 10th for the 20.50 strike price. One contract, 0.5 cents, and 3, and didn't look at that. I'll have to figure that out, but yeah. So far with the wheel, we're profiting $82 here on the overall Intel play, and we're up $8 on the actual stock position too. So if this stays right at the 2050 area, we're still going to make the premiums. If it keeps going up, our shares will get called away, and we will find another place to put that money. So it's fun. It's interesting. I might need to change the price on this and get down to 14 cents and send that off working. For some reason, this one's not wanting to, Pfizer's not wanting to go through. Are they trying to tell me something? Trying to tell me to hold in? 68.8%. I'd like to just get that premium. What, replace order? Let's unlock it, see where it's at. It says 15% or 15 cents is the mid price. We'll send that back off like that and just sit on it for a minute. But let's take a look at some of the other positions that not positions, some of the other stocks we've been watching, see what's going on there. Let's pop over to the charts. Riot. Okay, Riot, yes, because Bitcoin is blowing up today, getting closer to that $100,000 mark again today. So we might have missed a little opportunity there for premiums. Gold we're no longer in. Again, that's approaching that midline. Mara, again, Bitcoin play, so that's coming up. Intel, we're just did our covered call on. Sony, we've been watching, haven't gotten into yet. Just come down and bounced off the midline, headed back up to the upper Bollinger. AT&T is, well, it's struggling here right around the midline. Might get another opportunity to play that again if it comes back down. Carnival Cruise Lines. This is a play. Carnival's having a bad day. Let's look at this on the bigger picture here. Let me move this price line, see. Let me zoom out a little bit more. And let me remember how to get rid of these little fellers. There we go. Push that over. Okay, so let's move this price line. Let's see. That's a definite support resistance level, or has been. Let's look at another one here. Oop. Oh, I'm not able to grab that line. I have two together. All right. Figure that out later. Okay, let's see what other kind of support resistance lines we got going on here. This looks to be recent, but reasonable. And we're getting down here. Bottom Bollinger is 24.31. Let's see what the premiums are here. Let's January 10th. What was that? 24.31 is the lower Bollinger. We're not too far. Or no, that's current price. I can't see the lower Bollinger because it's obscured. Let's stretch the. There we go. 23.99. So 24 would be the lower Bollinger here. So what do we got here? So 24 right here. Sell a put. 30 cents. 30 cents in a week is not terrible. 2 weeks. Excuse me, I hit the wrong one again. January 17th. 50 cents for 2 weeks. Let's just go out to February for fun. See what that is next month. Like $1.10. Hmm. I think I want to 31 cent, try for a 31 cent mid price, sold put, and Carnival Cruise Lines. Let's see what happens. Done that, and no fill yet. All right, so let's try play with Pfizer again. Get down the penny, and I don't know why they don't want to fill that. All right. Carnival Cruise Lines. Let's look at this one. And we'll get down a penny on that too. All right, so we're in Carnival Cruise Lines now. We now have a $24 put in that stock. And what is going on with, let's unlock that, 16 cents. It's saying 16 is the ask and 15 is the bid. If I can't get through at 14, something's weird. All right. All right. If you guys know why something like that happens, please let me know. Or maybe just not enough volume on that particular option chain right now. I don't know. Hmm. All right. Let's just cancel that order. Pfizer, what are you doing today? Let's look at your chart anyways. Yeah, it's over the midline. It's up here. struggling a little bit. It could come back. That's all the more reason to want to take that premium and then stab at it again when it gets down near that lower Bollinger. Um, hmm, what will we do here? We could roll it. No, I just want to collect that. Let's go 2 cents under. What does that do to our premium? Hmm. Let me cancel out of that. Let's go back and look at the chart. Okay, we're in Pfizer and we collected 48 cents. So 48 cents. If we go down to 13 cents, 13 cents divided by 48 cents is 27 cents, excuse me, 27%. So that means we would, in fact, be getting 72% still. I know what I'm doing. All right, some days I tell you, okay, here's what we did wrong, kids. And by we, I mean me, absolutely. 16 cents is the price it'll get closed at. Okay, so I get down to 15, that's the midpoint. I was going the wrong direction. I was trying to buy it back even cheaper. If I go through 16, it's going to go bam, filled, done. Uh, It's Friday. Give me a little bit of a break. But anyways, here's the exciting part. The account is basically up $246 today. We're closing in on that $10,300 mark, which means we are basically creeping up on being about even when we started this challenge, which is awesome because the market's done nothing but go down since we started this. So kind of bad timing on my part, but we're there, we're around the corner, and we're headed back. So, hope you guys all have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you all next week.